It's your boy General Bangs from ABA. Today we're going to talk about the bolt carrier group, why it's important, how to take it apart, clean it, oil it, put it back together. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, let's get this out of the way. First thing you're going to want to do when you take down your bolt carrier group is take this cotter pin out. I use this here bolt carrier group tool. Go ahead. Pull that out like that. If you don't have a bolt carrier group tool, you can use anything pointy to get in there and pull that cotter pin out. Then you can go ahead and take out your firing pin. And you can tell how dirty it is. We're gonna get that clean today. So what you wanna do is, after you pull your retaining pin out, your cotter pin out, you wanna go ahead, well, I got mine straight, but sometimes this is to the side like this, and it'll be hard to get out. So what you wanna do is turn that to the side, so it's nice and straight, like that. Then you can go ahead and pull this out. And this is the pin that holds the bolt into the bolt carrier. So you just pull your bolt out. You can tell mine is dirty. Been hitting the range up. So now you have just your bolt carrier with the gas block, with the gas tube system. You have your bolt and the pins that go to it, and your firing pin. From there, you can go ahead and start to clean it. Now, when it comes down to the cleaning part, I just take my Hoppy's cleaning solution. So I'll just spray it all down. Let's do this a faster way. Now I'll just clean my firing pin off. And the good thing about having a chrome bolt carrier and bolt carrier group is it don't take much to get it clean. You can just pretty much wipe it off without any cleaner. But I still like to use some cleaner because sometimes it do stick a little. Okay, there we go. Nice and clean firing pin. Nice chrome. Cleans up real well. Now, my bolt carrier's a bit dirty, so I will take a toothbrush. You can see the difference of the bolt. And this is why I like chrome. I love chrome. I love chrome better than nickel boron. Nickel boron clean up pretty well too, pretty fast and nice, but it's not like chrome. Chrome is the top of the line. Sometimes I just pull the bolt out, wipe it down, make sure it's good, throw some oil on it, and put it back in the rifle, which is fine. It'll still run as long as it's not caked up. But every once in a while, I like to take my time, go ahead and clean it up, do a deep cleaning. And again, these videos are strictly for the people who don't know. If you know, cool, I get it. Maybe I said something wrong. You can drop a comment. Let me know. Let me know your favorite bolt carrier group, whatever. But you know, this is for the people who don't know. It's a lot of people who don't know how to field strip an AR-15 or a pistol. So those are the people I'm looking to reach. So go ahead and subscribe because I'm gonna have a lot more videos coming. The training videos, self-defense scenarios, all kind of good stuff. Looking to pull a couple lawyers in, do some interviews, go over some scenarios as well. And you can see how dirty that is. Now, go ahead and take my silicone cloth and wipe the bolt carrier down. Clean it up. The silicone cloth actually provides a protection layer to your firearms and pretty much anything that you wipe with it. So I like to pick one of these up every once in a while. And they last a long time. It's good to have. So every time that I wipe my bolt carrier, I'm actually providing a silicone layer to the body of it. And you can see it makes a big difference when you do it to your firearm. Keeps the bodies nice and fresh. So, now here you have it. We have the bolt carrier. See the inside there is nice and clean. Inside where the bolt goes is nice and clean. You don't need to do anything with the gas tube too much. I mean, sometimes you could run a little Q-tip in there, but it's not much that goes get in there. It just cycles gas back and forth. But other than that, you'll be pretty much done with the cleaning proportion of your bolt carrier. Get this out of the way. So now we'll go ahead and reassemble the bolt carrier. You can see, let me line it up so you get this hole, and there's a hole there. So what happens is sometimes you put it in this way and it don't fit because it's a different size hole from the other hole. So that's the struggle on top of lining it up straight. So what you want to do is go ahead and turn that bolt around till it lines up with this bigger hole, and then go ahead and you take your cotter pin and the hole on the side here. You push your firing pin all the way up, and that pin should go all the way through like this. And you will know because the firing pin will stay intact. Pull your bolt out, make sure it's staying and it's working, and you're good to go. Now you have a deep clean boat carrier, BCG, ready to go. Now, the oiling process, what I would do, you don't need a lot of oil on this. I usually drop 1, 2, 3 drops there. 1, 2, 3, 4 drops on the boat. Moving in and out. Because this is the main part that moves. So you want to make sure that's oil. You don't need tons of oil anywhere else. Just on the moving parts. And when it's sitting in a safe, you know, gravity pulls it this way. You know, maybe you're sitting on the couch or something. Gravity pulls it this way, so the oil will always be moving. So, there you go. Now, you can go ahead and put it back into your AR15. That's how you disassemble, reassemble, oil, and clean a BCG, better known as Boat Carrier Group. Peace and love. Much respect. Much love. We out.